there is yet another question that we are doing. This question is of the type of mixing, okay? And when we are mixing two solution, so there what happens, okay? So let's start this question. A pharmacist a pharmacist needs to strengthen a pharmacist needs to strengthen a 10% alcohol solution to one of 20% alcohol. How much pure alcohol should be added to 400 ml of 10% solution? Okay, so a pharmacist is there, and the pharmacist is having two kind of alcohols. Number one is 10% alcohol, and number two is 20% alcohol. What he wants to do is he wants to convert from 10% to 20% alcohol. From 10% to 20% alcohol he wants to make, means he wants to increase the alcohol content in the concentration, means in the solution, correct? So he wants to increase the alcohol content in the solution, and how that is need to be done? That will be done using a pure alcohol. Pure alcohol will be poured into this till the time the concentration is becoming 20%. 10% concentration means 10 part alcohol, 10 part is alcohol, and 90 part is water. 20% concentration means 20% alcoholic concentration means 20 part water and 80 part water. Okay, so you need to increase the amount of 20 part alcohol. You need to increase the amount of alcohol, and how that will happen? That will be done by using a pure alcohol. So students, we will start with how much pure alcohol, na? So let x ml of pure alcohol be used to convert 10% 400 ml alcohol to 20% 400 ml alcohol. To convert 10% 400 ml alcohol to 20% 400 ml alcohol. So this is the thing. We need to first check how much quantity of alcohol is there into this 400 ml 10% alcohol. So amount pure alcohol in 10% 400 ml alcohol is equal to 400 ml is there, na? And 10% of 400 ml, correct? So gone 40 ml pure alcohol is there. in 10%, right? Okay, and we said that let XML of pure alcohol be used to convert 10% 400 ml alcohol to 20% 400 ml alcohol. Means whatever the pure alcohol you will put in, it will get add up to this 40, right? So alcohol content in 20% 400 ml alcohol. What is the alcohol content in 20% 400 alcohol? 20 by 100, right? Into, is it now only 400 ml? Is it now only 400 ml? From 10% he has increased to 20%. So from 10% 400 ml to 20%, how it happened? X was added. What is X? X ml of pure alcohol was added, right? So it will be 400 plus X ml alcohol. Correct? Correct? Because if you are pouring XML pure alcohol, means XML pure alcohol will contain XML pure alcohol into it, right? Okay, like this condition, 10% 400 ml that contains only 40 ml. If you are giving 400 ml of pure alcohol, that will have 400 ml of pure alcohol into this 100% alcohol. Okay, alcohol content in 20% 400 ml is this 20% of 400 plus X. But we know that what is the alcohol content? Alcohol content was 40 ml in 10%, plus to that we added XML, right? This is from the total solution. When you have converted the total solution of 10% to 20%, then what is the total solution? 400 plus X. And what is its alcohol content? 20%. And I have taken this not in the total solution. This is only for the alcohol content. Alcohol content in 10% 400 ml alcohol was 40 ml. To that I am adding X ml of alcohol to it. So what is the total alcohol content? 40 plus X. Students, if you see that these two terms are same, I'm talking about the alcohol content, right? Alcohol content in 20% 400 ml. This value is there, I'm taking out on total solution. This value of alcohol is there on specifically an alcohol, but both of them we are talking about, in both the terms we are talking about the alcohol content only, in 20% 400 ml. So both of them are equal to each other. So by the problem 40 plus X is equal to 20 by 100 into 400 plus X. Okay, now this is 40 plus X, correct? 20 by 100 means 2 1s are 2 5s. So this is equal to 1 by 5 into 400 plus X. Let's expand it. This means 40 plus X is equal to, okay, let's do cross multiplication. This will make it difficult because you will do 400 by X plus X by 5. You will get X in fraction. I don't want that. That will be a bit complex and there are chances of mistake. 5 over there and 1 is getting multiplied with this 1 into 400 plus X. Okay, 5 4s are 20. 200 plus 5X is equal to 400 plus X, right? Again, same thing, variables on one side, constant on the other side. So 5X minus X is equal to 400 minus 200, which implies that 5X minus X is 4X. 400 minus 200 is 200, which implies that 4X is equal to this, AX is equal to B, right? This is AX is equal to B. So what is the value of X? X equal to B by A. Whatever is there by this A. So x is equal to 200 by 4, 4 5 are 20. 50 ml of alcohol you have to add, and that is your answer. 50 ml of alcohol you have to add to 400 ml of 10% alcohol to make it 20% alcohol. This XML they were talking about now, that is 50 ml. Okay, so how much amount is there of total alcohol is there into the new solution? 40 ml was there previous, plus now 50 ml. 40 50 90. And what is the volume of the whole solution? It's 450 ml, correct? Students, one more question is there of the same solution type. If you see it properly, you will understand the complete pattern. It is on acid. Previously was there on alcohol. Now this is there on acid. A 12-liter solution is 33 complete 1/3% acid. Okay, out of this 12 liter, only 33% complete 1/3% is acid. So what is rest? Rest is water. Okay, if nothing is said about the rest, okay, it's water by default, whether it is an acidic solution or an alcoholic solution. Okay, so the question is how much. Okay, you see water they have given. How much water must be added? Must be added to get the solution having 20% acid, right? So the acidity has to be reduced from 33 complete 1/3% to 20%. Okay, so first of all we should know what is the actual quantity, right, of acid into it, and how much water must be added to get the solution having 20% acid, right? Okay, so we'll start with, we'll assume first, let xml, x liter of water, since it is here the quantity is in liter, unit, let x liter of water be added to 12 liter solution. X liter of water be added to 12 liter solution to make it 20% acidic. To make it 20% acidic. Okay. In 33 complete 1/3% acid, pure acid is how much? Acid is equal to 12 liter, it was there na, 33 complete 1/3 means 93, 100/3%, correct? It's 100/3%. So 3 4 are 12. It's 400. It cannot be 400 liter, right? It has to be 400 ml. 400 ml was there into it. Okay. No, there is a mistake. There is a mistake. This is 33 complete 1/3. It was percentage, na? So here multiplied by 100 will be there. Correct, correct. Okay, sorry students, sorry. That's what I'm thinking. When it is 33 complete 1/3% means it is 1/3 of the entire acid. 1/3 of the entire acid will be 12/3 means 4 liter minimum. Whereas it is 400 ml, cannot happen. So 100 is cut. It was 12 liter, na? Now we are getting this 4 liter. Okay, 4 liter. Please take a look at this Percentage I had forgot to mention over here. 33 complete 1 by 3 means it's 100 by 3 percentage. I've just mentioned over there 100 by 3 and not the percentage. Please take care of this when you are doing it. So 4 liter is the amount of acid into it, but they want to reduce it to 20%, means it has to be reduced, means the water has to be added. Okay, so how much is the water? 12 liter minus 4 liter, correct? Means it is 8 liter of water is there now and 4 liter of solution is there. In 20% solution, so water added be x liter. Okay, so for 20% solution, the total volume will be, total volume 12 liter was the original volume. In that I added some water, right, to make it 20%. So 12 liter plus x. What will be the concentration of water? Water content in 20% alcohol 20% acidic solution. If 20% is acid, then 80% is water, correct? Because here they are saying that how much water should be added. So we will be doing everything in terms of water. 80% of 12 liter plus x. Am I correct? Huh? And in that, if we are adding water, how much water was there actually? 8 liter. Now we are adding some more water. This is the total volume of the solution. I'm asking if only the volume of water, volume of only water in 20% acidic solution is equal to 8 liter was before in the 33% plus x liter. Am I correct? Am I correct? And both of them are equal. This is the water content, huh? Only water content, and this is the water content based on the whole solution. So they are equal. Okay, therefore 8 plus x is equal to 80 by 100. So 80 by 100 can be reduced. Gone. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. This is 4 by 5, 12 into liter plus x. Which implies that 5 will be cross multiplication. 5 will be multiplied with this. 5 into 8 plus x is equal to 4 into 12 plus x, right? 5 8s are 40 plus 5x is equal to 12 4s are 48 plus 4x, correct? 4x will go over there, 5x is already here, 4x will go over there, so plus 4x will become minus 4x, which is equal to 48, and transposition of 40 will take place, plus 40 will become minus 40. So x is equal to only 8. Okay, x is equal to 8 liter. 8 liter of water more has to be added to convert 8 liter of water. This much more water has to be added. Has to be added to convert 33 complete 1 by 3% to 20% acidic solution. Understood? So this is it. Here they said that how much water should be added, right? Huh? So I have dealt only in water. I have dealt only in water, you see. Only in water I have dealt. Okay. Okay. You can pause the screens and you can copy all of them.